Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete Proton Mail account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Proton Mail. Once you've done that, click on this first link right over here. And now all you need to do is firstly sign in into your account. Once you've signed in into your account, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on this gear icon on the top right, click on all settings, and now all you need to do is just click on accounts. So let me just go ahead and find it. So account and password, scroll all the way down. As you can see, there is the delete your account option. Click on that button, simply select a reason why you want to delete it, write the feedback, click on continue, right? And once you've written your feedback and continued, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on yes, I want to permanently delete, and then simply go ahead and enter your password and authenticate it, and your account will be deleted. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.